Hello everyone. Thanks for joining me today. I love sharing my ideas with you and I hope I inspire you with today's creation. This week my focus is going to be on the Whale Done Suite. I needed cards for Jake, my grandson, and so I decided to use this one. Now this stamp set is a bundle. It comes with this punch, which is really cute, makes this cute whale. It punches out the whale. There's no punch for it, so you would either have to fussy cut it or just use it as a square, whatever image. But it's got thanks a ton, Whale Done, my love for you is bigger than the ocean, you're kind of a big deal, and hoping your birthday fishes come true. So, I was okay with the sentiments on some of them, but I have plenty of sets I can get it from. So there's the stamp set and the bundle. And this is the Designer Series paper. Now it has 48 sheets in here and it's 6 by 6. But let me show you this paper. It is double-sided. So this one is perfect for creating a scene. And then there's the background with all those fishes. Be great for a border. Another one that's good for the scene, if you cut it in half, you can actually do two separate ones and maybe put a turtle down there. And then it has the coral on the back. And another great scene, and there's like a spotlight coming down here, so this would be perfect for the whale or a turtle in there. And then the back is that one with the fishes. Then we have this pattern that has the shapes, small versions of the shapes that is in the stamp set on it, which is really kind of cute. And I love this background. Looks like underwater, could be a night sky, whatever. Lots of different options. And then this one has whales all over it, and the punch actually punches out the whale. So you can use one of these and punch out a bunch of whales to use on your cards. And then the back has these scalloped waters type things. Then we have all these sea nettles. Those bring back memories of a kid going swimming in the river in the bay and being stung by sea nettles. And then I love this one. That seaweed on there is just so pretty. Then we have seahorses. Oh my gosh. And we have another set, I don't know if it's current or not, that had a seahorse in it. The one that's current may not have the seahorse. But if you have that old set, you could use that one with it. And some more waves. And then look at these turtles. This reminds me of Finding Nemo, I think is the one, that movie. All the turtles there swimming. So cute. And some more seaweed. And then we've got these big turtles. And look at this one looking at you. Isn't that cute? Wouldn't that be so cute on a card? And there's the background of this one. And this one, which is the focus of today's card. I just loved the simplicity of this, and I kept it clean and simple. So there's the card we're going to make. Jake will love it. He's 15 months, so it'll be a perfect card for him. So I'm going to move that there. And I've got to come down a little bit so you can still see it. And the first thing I did was I took that paper and I cut it down to 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. I was going to put it on a Pacific Point card base because it matches it. So it was lost and I didn't want to use one of the other colors, so I'm going to back it with white. And the white is 4 by 5 1/4 inches. Now, I will tell you my measurements are for the U.S. If you're in another country, adjust accordingly. And I'm going to put this down, and I like the glue because it gives me some wiggle room before I have to say that's where it's going to go so I can get it even. All right, I'm going to take and I'm going to fold my card base in half and use a bone folder for a crisp fold. And sometimes if it's real thick paper, you have to do it on both sides so that it stays flat. All right, now this is going to go right on the front of this. This is a quick and easy card. All right. And I'm going to add it here. And again, this one has, I think, you know what? I think this was 4 by 5 1/4, and this one is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. But you could cut it a little smaller. I wanted as much of that paper to show as possible. Now, when I got this done, it was like, it's too cute to hide. So I decided to pull in my hello from the Forever Fern bundle, and I'm just going to stamp a simple hello on a scrap paper. All right, I'm going to stamp it down here. There we go. And then I pulled in the Classic Label Punch, and I'm going to stamp this in here, or stamp it. I'm going to punch this out, and I'm keeping the sentiment close to one side because I'm going to make a mini version of this punch. So I'm going to stick it back in between the punch pieces. Oops, popped out on me. So stick it in between, and then I flip it around, and then I just adjust it to the size that I need and punch it. And I have the perfect size, oh, doesn't want to close on me, for my card. I'm going to add some dimensionals on the back, and I cut them in half so I can kind of put it all the way across. I'm going to use my pokey tool to take the backs off, leave that there, and then I'm going to add that to my card right about there. All right, and then because it needed some sparkle, so what child doesn't like sparkle? I pulled in the Artistry Blooms adhesive back sequins, and these are actually Coastal Cabana, but when you put it on here, and they kind of almost look clear. So I'm going to add some of these down here. Sprinkle them on all over, like so. And when you put your sprinkles on, make sure you don't have them in a row going across or up and down. Give it some variety. And there it is, quick and easy. And when you get the outside done, don't forget to do the inside and the envelope. And I use the colors of the fish on the outside to go around the cardstock and the envelope. And I had to go this way because that's the way the fishes face. I probably could have flipped them. I don't know. Would they look right going that way? Oh yeah, they would. So those fish go either way. Something different. I hope you enjoyed my card today. If you like my ideas, make sure you sign up for my newsletter. Link is in the information section below. While you're there, check out my newest online class. The link is also in the bottom, along with my retreat that's coming up. So lots of ideas for you to check out. Have a great day.